Tired of Ethereum gas fees eating away at your Axie Infinity profits? Let's bridge that ETH to your Ronin wallet. First things first, head to the official Ronin Bridge website. Bridger and income. It's crucial to use the official bridge to avoid scams and keep your funds safe. Double check the URL. Next, click Connect Wallet in the top right corner. You'll want to connect both your Ethereum wallet, like MetaMask, and your Ronin wallet. Make sure you have both installed as browser extensions. A pop-up will appear asking you to connect to both wallets. Select both Ethereum and Ronin, granting the bridge permission to access your accounts. Now, in the bridge interface, make sure you're on the Deposit tab. Select ETH from the Asset drop-down menu. This indicates you're moving it from Ethereum to Ronin. Enter your Ronin address in the Ronin address field. This is where your ETH will end up. Then, specify the amount of ETH you want to transfer. Be mindful of gas fees and waiting times displayed on the screen. The bridge will calculate the gas fees associated with the transaction. Remember, these fees fluctuate depending on network congestion. You'll also see an estimated arrival time. MetaMask, or your chosen Ethereum wallet, will pop up asking you to confirm the transaction. Carefully review the details, especially the gas fees, before approving. Once confirmed, the transaction will be processed on the Ethereum network. This can take a few minutes, or even longer. During peak times, you can track the progress on Etherscan. Finally, once the transaction is confirmed, your ETH will appear in your Ronin wallet. You're now ready to use it within the Ronin ecosystem, like buying Axies or battling in the arena. Enjoy!